Hey, I'm just curious. Do you sometimes feel like you're out of alignment or not living your authentic self? That you are maybe, struggling with what other people think of you? Well, I have an oil that can help support you in finding alignment and becoming your most authentic version of yourself. It is Kumquat Essential Oil, and I'm going to go through the emotional and the energetic properties of this oil and how you can use it to support you on your journey. So kumquats are citrus fruits, are a little bit complex because they're sweeter on the outside than they are on the inside, and the energetic properties are they are along the same lines as that. So individuals in need of Kumquat Essential Oil tend to judge and push down feelings deemed as unacceptable or unwanted by others. Often they have been taught to repress feelings in order to be accepted. These personalities appear happy, enthusiastic, popular, and seemingly at peace in the world, while their inner torment is meticulously guarded and hidden from view. However, this denial, avoidance of emotional pain, and fear of negative emotions can lead to destructive coping strategies and passive aggressiveness in order to keep continuing up the chosen facade. Kumquat oil instructs that true happiness comes only through real, honest, and unstudied living. It reminds that people are a complement of good and bad, sweet and sour. Individuals must embrace their multifaceted humanness and anchor their identity in truth in order to live authentically. Kumquat invites all to shift their focus away from outward behaviors or pretenses, which others may validate, and instead begin the quiet, consistent, and unseen journey to inner alignment, contentment, and healing. And isn't that spot on? We have to do that inner work. We have to do that quiet work outside of what everyone else says or thinks or whichever. It's our journey, and we have to be aligned in that in order to do our healing. So this oil pairs really well with black pepper, with pink pepper, with coriander and lavender. I would also say ginger. And it can help take us from the negative emotions of feeling superficial, this facade of cheerfulness or everything's always good, hiding inauthentic, repressed feelings and passive aggressiveness, to feeling more authentic, real, honest, sincere, unpretentious, and aligned. So how can you use this oil on your journey? Well, I highly recommend that you put it in your diffuser when you're doing any journaling or any self-development, personal development work. You can just inhale it from the bottle, put a drop in your hands and breathe it in. And apply to different areas of your body. Your heart center would be a great spot. Your solar plexus would be a great spot. The inside of wrists, the inside of elbows, over the throat so you can speak with authenticity. Pair that with lavender as well. And over the forehead so you can think with authenticity and truth. So if you found that helpful, hit the heart, and if it resonated with you, please feel free to share and follow me for more emotional and energetic information on how you can use your essential oils and find your authentic self on your journey.